Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude AI account suspended problem. So if your Claude account has been suspended and you can't access it, just follow along. First, check your email inbox for a message from Anthropic explaining why your account was suspended. Next, you need to make sure you're signing in with the correct email address that is linked to your Claude account. After that, try logging out and logging back in to see if the issue is temporary. You should also check if you're using any VPN or unusual network connection, as it may cause security checks. And if your account was suspended by mistake, you can submit an appeal or contact Anthropic support through their help center. When contacting support, include your account email, the error message you see, and any details about the issue. So those are the best ways to fix the Claude AI account suspended problem. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.